Sometimes you just need to cap a thing or two off. What am I talking about? Well, let's jump into this together and I'll explain. Welcome to this episode of Open-SCAD by DIY3DTech.com. In this episode, I want to share this quick little design I came up with for a cap. Now, this might not be too exciting, but I want to share a little bit of the simple logic that I use to put into this. Now, one of the things that I'm doing is designing a 3D printed shelving unit, a rather large one, and I'll be doing a video on the Open-SCAD channel on this for my Harbor Freight storage boxes, and I needed caps to cover off the half-inch conduit I'm using as supports. However, to do that, because I have cut them on a metal saw and I've cleaned them up a little bit, but the ends are not regular in size. And so what I needed to do was develop a cap that was also not regular in size, however adaptive to the various pipe sizes that have resulted from being cut in the metal saw. So with that, one of the pieces that I have done is I've oversized the general opening. So I'm about at 18.2 millimeters. So I've accounted for the contraction of the plastic. I typically in PLA see about 0.2 millimeters on the machines that I use to print PLA. So I've upsized this slightly. Now the other piece I've done is I've added a taper. Now this taper, as you can see down here, is both a positive, I should probably start over here, a positive as well as a negative taper, if you will. So what this means is the opening up here is larger and the opening down here is smaller. Now I've made this a little bit larger than my 0.2 fudge factor here at 0.3. So this, as I tap this on with a hammer, will become tight down here, but yet will pass the burrs or whatever else I have irregularities at the opening of the tube. So kind of long story short, this is kind of a simple idea to solve a little bit of a headache of a problem, because your first instinct is going to be to make this the pipe size maybe a little bit larger, but you want a tight fit, you want a pressure fit, you don't want to use any type of adhesive. This is a good solution to solve that problem. It's a rather simple idea, but hey, sometimes the simple ideas are the best. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video where we design something else cool in Open-SCAD. Cheers.